Good morning, dear students. First, let's do Brahmanath for concentration. Sabdhan Siddha. Om. Om. Santi, Santi, Santi. Swastha. So good morning, dear students. Welcome back to all of you in your BSM class. So in our previous class, we had made a discussion about the various demerits or limitations of the sole tradership business. So I hope all of you go through that video and have a very good idea about the limitations. Okay. So and also the points are very easy and also very important. So that's why. What are the various limitations are there in case of sole tradership? If a businessman wants to start a business in case of sole tradership, so that's why he also faces many problems or many limitations. Disadvantages are also there. What are the various disadvantages? जैसे कि हम लोगों ने डिस्कशन किया था, limited managerial ability or limited capacity. In case of sole tradership, how many owners are there? Only one person is there who is the owner of the business, and that sole trader is not able to be an expert in all the related fields. So that's why there is a demerit of limited managerial ability. Okay. And also the another points like limited resources means it refers to the funds, क्योंकि मतलब सोल ट्रेडरशिप बिजनेस में एक ही ओनर होता है जो बिजनेस में टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट करता है, टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन करता है. तो क्योंकि एक ओनर है इसलिए क्या होता है, बिजनेस का जो टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन है, टोटल जो फंड्स है, कैपिटल का जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो कैपिटल भी लिमिटेड होता है, बिकॉज वन पर्सन कैन नॉट इन्वेस्ट द होल अमाउंट विच रिक्वायर्स द बिजनेस. In order to grow the business, in order to expand the business, one person's fund are not sufficient. So that's why mostly in case of sole tradership business, there is a limited resources. If the owner is not having sufficient fund, then he have to arrange that fund from his friends or from his relatives or from the financial institutions. What are the financial institutions? Financial institutions like बैंक. तो बैंक के पास जाएगा, बैंक से लोन लाएगा, लेकिन बैंक तो इसे देख के तो नहीं देगा ना. तो बैंक कैसे लोन देगा? बाय कीपिंग द मॉर्गेजेस. मॉर्गेज हम लोग उसको लेके देंगे, कुछ गोल्ड देंगे या फिर कुछ जमीन के कागज देंगे, तभी जाके वो हमको वो जमीन के कागज के बदले में लोन देगा. तो वो जो लोन देगा उसको हम लोग लाके बिजनेस में यूज करेंगे. So, do you think that the securities or the mortgages are also there is sufficient in case of sole tradership? No, because one person cannot have enough amount of securities to be invested in the business. So that's why there is a limited resources in case of sole tradership. Then another important demerit is there, that is unlimited liability. What does it mean? The liability is unlimited. That means his personal property also used in the business to pay the debt of the business. Okay. And also the another points like limited life of the business. What do you think? The sole tradership life, the life of the business is limited or unlimited? It can run for a long period of time. Do you think like that? No, the answer is the life of the sole tradership business is very much limited, because there is only one owner. In case of death, in case of insolvency, in case of disability of the owner, the business may face closure. And another important point, the sole tradership business is not suitable in case of large scale organizations, because if we want to start a large scale business, then we have to invest more money in the business, we need more employee, we need more resources, we need more investment. So one person cannot able to employ more persons, one person cannot able to invest more funds in the business. That's why the sole tradership business is not suitable in case of large scale organizations. So dear students, in this class we will discuss about the last topic of your BSM second chapter, that is sole tradership, that is suitability of sole tradership. So suitability means what are the various situations are there where the sole tradership business is the most suitable business. Okay, so first point क्या हो सकता है, where it can be more suitable when the market is local. Okay, local. Local means if we are doing a business within a particular locality or in a particular area, then in that case our business is mostly suitable if we want to start a sole tradership business. Or we can say the generally this questions comes as a 3 mark question. Okay. Question आया होगा but where the suitable what are the various suitability of a sole tradership business or the sole tradership business can be started in which conditions. जैसे कि फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या हो गया, when the market is local. If the market is local then in that case we can start a sole tradership business. और क्या हो सकता है पॉइंट, जैसे कि in order to create a direct contact with the customer, if we want to make a direct contact, if we want to make a direct contact with the customer, then in that case we can start a sole tradership business. Then अगर बिजनेस में कुछ क्विक डिसीजन लेना है, बिजनेस के जो डिसीजन होते हैं वो क्विक डिसीजन लेना है, then in that case also it will be better to start a sole tradership business because there is only one owner is there and that person can also take decisions with an immediate effect. So that's why there is a quick decision possible in case of sole tradership. और क्या हो सकता है, where for example in case of artistic goods or the goods which require some demonstration, in that case it will be better if we start a sole tradership business. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, जैसे कि मतलब कुछ मशीन हो गया जिसका ऑपरेशन कस्टमर को बताना पड़ेगा कि मशीन का ऑपरेशन कैसे होता है, तो वहाँ पे हमको क्या चाहिए, देयर इज अ नीड टू डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट विद द कस्टमर. सो दैट्स व्हाई आर्टिस्टिक गुड्स मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि कुछ पेंटिंग्स लगा है या फिर कुछ मतलब पुराने सामान का जो दुकान है, तो वहाँ पे अगर दुकान वाला होगा या फिर कुछ पेंटिंग तो ऐसे होगा जो कि आपके दिमाग के ऊपर ही चले जाएंगे क्या बना है बोल के, आप घंटे भर उसे देखते रहेंगे लेकिन कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं होगा कि क्या एक्चुअली में बना है पेंटिंग में. तो वहाँ पे कुछ पर्सन की जरूरत है जो कि वो हमें एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि आपको नहीं ये वाला जो पेंटिंग है इसका मतलब ये है बोल के. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स देयर इज सम आर्टिस्टिक गुड्स व्हिच रिक्वायर सम पर्सन्स, सेल्स पर्सन्स. ओके, देन इन दैट केस दैट विल बी गुड इफ वी स्टार्ट द बिजनेस इन केस ऑफ सोल ट्रेडरशिप. देन और क्या केस हो सकता है, where capital requirement is less capital requirement. Okay, so it is also suitable when there is a less capital requirement is required. So what are the various conditions where there is a sole tradership business can be started? First condition is when the market is local. Second condition, when there is a need to make a direct contact with the customer, then in that case sole tradership business is best suitable. Then the third one, quick decision. If we want to take quick decisions in our business, then in that case sole tradership business is best suitable. Artistic goods, if we are dealing in artistic nature goods like पुरानी चीजें या फिर पेंटिंग्स, तो वहाँ पे हमको क्या चाहिए, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन चाहिए, सेल्स पर्सन चाहिए. देन इन दैट केस sole tradership is best suitable. Then less capital requirement, if in our business there is a requirement of less capital, then sole tradership is suitable. If you want more capital, then in that case we cannot choose the sole tradership business as our best business. Okay, so in that case sole tradership cannot be taken into consideration. Then the last one, and also this part is related to your second chapter, that is your partnership. So let us discuss that one, that is expansion of SP. SP stands for sole proprietorship. एक्सपेंशन मीन्स बिजनेस को बड़ा करने के लिए. सपोज मान लो सोल ट्रेडरशिप हम लोग बिजनेस कर रहे हैं एंड इफ वी वांट टू एक्सपांड आवर बिजनेस, इफ वी वांट टू ग्रो आवर बिजनेस, देन हाउ दैट बिजनेस कैन बी ग्रो. ओके, how can that business can be expanded. Okay, so the expansion can be occurred in two ways. The first way is adding an employee. So the first one is adding an employee. Second one is adding partners. Okay, so what is the basic differences between adding an employee and adding a partner? So what is the basic difference? Employee means the person who work in the organization. At the end of the month, he takes salary from the businessman and rendering personal services to the business. So an employee is a person. He is not the owner of the business. He is just a worker of the organization. So if the sole trader having enough amount of fund, उसके पास अगर ज़्यादा पैसा है, उसके पास कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट अच्छा है, तो वो क्या कर सकता है? He can employ managers, he can employ workers in his business and manage the business tactfully. But if the owner is not having sufficient fund, if the owner has not able to manage the business affairs effectively, then in that case the sole trader can go for the second option, that is adding partners in his business. किसको ऐड करना है? पार्टनर को ऐड करना है. यहाँ पे किसको ऐड करने का था? एम्प्लॉय को ऐड करने का, लेकिन यहाँ पे पार्टनर को ऐड करने का. तो if we are adding partner in our business, in case of sole tradership, if we are adding partner in sole tradership, then if a partner come, then he must contribute capital to the business, he must manage the managerial activity of the business, he put all his effort to increase the profit of the business, and also he bears the risk of the business. तो टोटल जो बिजनेस में जैसे कि एक सोल ट्रेडर था जो कि सारे कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूट किया था, सारे रिस्क लिया था, सारे प्रॉफिट लेता था. अभी क्या हो गया, इसने और एक पार्टनर को बिजनेस में लाया. जैसे कि मिस्टर ए था, अभी कौन आ गया? मिस्टर बी आ गया. तो मिस्टर बी जो अभी आया बिजनेस में, वो भी क्या करेगा? सारे कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन करेगा, मैनेजरियल एक्टिविटी करेगा, प्रॉफिट लॉस में इक्वली शेयर करेगा. तो मतलब अभी कितने ओनर हो गए बिजनेस में? By adding one partner in the business, there are two owners are there. ठीक है, पहला वाला ओनर सोल ट्रेडर था, अभी क्या हो गया? एक पार्टनर आ गया. तो दोनों पार्टनर, दोनों ओनर हो गए. तो अभी हम लोग जो बिजनेस है जहाँ पर कि एक सोल ट्रेडर था, अभी उसने फिर से पार्टनर को ऐड कर दिया. तो सोचो कि वो वाला बिजनेस अभी सोल ट्रेडरशिप बोला जाएगा या पार्टनरशिप हो जाएगा? सोल ट्रेडरशिप का रूल कॉन्सेप्ट क्या पढ़े थे हम लोग? सोचो, सोल ट्रेडरशिप का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था? हाउ मेनी ओनर्स आर देयर इन केस ऑफ सोल ट्रेडरशिप? ओनली one owner is there. But here, if the partner adding one employee, then in that case also there is one owner. Another person is the employee of the business. But by adding one partner in the business, the sole tradership converted into partnership form. So यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको सोल ट्रेडरशिप नहीं बोलेंगे. ये भी आपका 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है. तो दोनों 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आएगा हाउ द सोल ट्रेडरशिप बिजनेस कैन बी एक्सपेंडेड. So you have to write both this point, but at the end of this point, by adding a partner, you have to write by adding a partner in the business, the sole tradership business converted into partnership business. Okay. So dear students, this is all about your second chapter, that is sole tradership suitability and also the expansion. So I hope all of you have a very good idea. Thank you and have a nice day.